Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and making a composition that matches its frame rate and resolution. This ensures tracked data fits. Once done, duplicate the layer and name one tracking and one keying so you won't overwrite work. You should scrub the timeline and note marker clusters. Run a quick warp or stabilization on tracking if heavy shake exists. Make sure markers are visible and not motion blurred beyond recognition, because clear marker tracks give you clean removal paths later. You'll track markers on tracking using Point Tracker for single points or Mocha AE for planar marker groups. Pick the tool matching marker behavior. Then link tracking data to a null so you can attach cleanup elements precisely. Once tracked, create clean plates. Try Content-Aware Fill first for speed, and switch to Manual Clone Stamp or Roto Brush when it leaves artifacts. As you paint, work on nearby frames, and feather masks very slightly so the repaired region blends with the green plate without visible. Now you perform the key on the keying layer with Keylight, isolating the green while preserving edges. Refine the matte using screen matte controls and add spill suppression to remove green fringing. Place your clean plates and painted patches beneath the keyed layer and parent them to the tracked null so movement stays matched. Finally, if you see residual artifacts, rebuild those frames manually and double-check motion blur settings, sometimes rendering with higher shutter or sampling fixes streaks. One quick troubleshooting tip: when artifacts persist, render a short segment and view full resolution before assuming it's fixed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.